Hey guys, I want to show you a really quick, easy thumbnail. I have my video there of Sparky. I have my playhead where I want it, okay? And right here's the picture that I want. Now all I have to do is hit Command-Shift-4, which brings up this little jobby. And all you do is go up in the corner, okay, and drag, hold on to your mouse, drag it to the however much you want. Now let's just say you don't want that whole amount. Let's just say you just want to there. You can do that, but I want the whole picture there that's in this window. So now what I've got here is it's going to the desktop by doing that. So now I will just take and minimize that, and now I am into the YouTube application, I guess you say, of doing your title and your thumbnail. So you have a choice of doing your own thumbnail, which I've already done. So now all I'm going to do is scoot this over a little so that I can go over onto the desktop and bring up the screenshot that I just took, okay? So I'm going to take and drag that screenshot. Now you see how that changed? Drag that screenshot over and drop it. Release your mouse. Now, up here it says to save the change. And I'm just giving you an example here because I've already done it. And then you want to save that change. Now, if it doesn't change here, you have to have this public. Today, it wouldn't work for me till I had this public. So you click on this, and then I was into the private mode. I put it into the public mode, and then hit save, and then it was done.